It is a see no Ghana na come here say yama yensa so. I said the issue of Galamsey yentimi fight it yenya man nya osa. But some of the generals say there be omunti ase. David. And you say na NDC government led by Mahama in 2024 election campaign time. And you say no dey can asem no. 18 omu abe blast. Efa Amansia Central DC na say the involvement in Galamsey e pop up on the internet no. Ghana generals na be churu ba hwe ho. In fact emu no o mai come adwen a kire Mahama. Say shame on him nyina ene namu. Me wan chiri mu no a kire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Mesra say ni dey mu. Oba like video no ada ma bro subscribe button some be click verification connect latest update some be kire wadwen da ama me. E wo comment section so ba so a. No chef us enya bia hwe. So e hweto no for about na kwato na. Ade ba ko na e push Ghana for say yense sa government. Na ba ko e Galamsey. The issue of Galamsey because it got a point say that's a Ghanaian say you know say uti TV ho na enkrata mu newspapers mu TikTok just say who scroll back me enu ensa no go pie Galamsey just say na abe ahomete ana Ghana for yem pet because let me make clean dey reference no emwa ya pomode ne it Ghana for nyina adwen benko say yenko to entia aku for the government dey fa from bia but dey ba na Mahama so say Ghana for bo say oba stop Galamsey Emma or launching book be Mahama's first 120 days social contract. Na Galamsey put ban on all illegal mining activities. Na eka ho bi. Mahama's first 120 days. Na eka ho bi. Adi obedi kai obetena konya so the first 120 days, that's the first 4 months. Obe puti ban on Galamsey illegal mining. Obe stop it. Na we say obe Emma nya no kwa. Osakra ka kire say oba or the AI artificial intelligence and be fight Galamsey tin say Mahama small kano na emo hwam eti Ghana fo nyina to etiri mu e me ko to aba na ede ma Mahama na oba yi na say the issue of Galamsey as me dey me head hu na ho keka bia emu na abusua Joy FM for another Joy News omokoya documentary video bi e baaye e say be say ye ko Amansia Central e ho no mo no DC yo ho no mo no ono anka say de onye Galamsey bi na emu no it was alleged in the documentary video say Ojichi Galamsey for ni sika opeso to Galamsey ya so oye who use chamfanya ebo abetua da ho no mo say who use excavator so a obo eda ho otua assassin da ho ko say ni free
Omani about 20,000
into no excavator baako
30,000 40,000 300 million
Asa
one and this would tell me no bit my doing 50,000 60,000 wow
and a chamfan
say 3,000
that's no kwa ni show
and no kwa from a omonye but this year in Africa from your Saturday Ghana omonye but this year no master to be no buy no master to
see when you wine policy excavator 3,000 and wine policy man dey buy
policy ya a best system ni what you say MPP come in the system na you so o man na ye ni nkwa ho ko Galamsey ni e blast wo assembly no kwadi adu mi say wo hye wo kena somata say adu yes here mo ye de go phone na mo so adu mi say Galamsey ni nya de enkoso so ani assembly na mo pass de revenue o brother ni ye bra
Emma do we ebe ye deja on the internet na emu no na man yam no kana se ye DC no Amansia Central DC no also issue press statement and nobody tell oh and some na yetwa media no so no enye say na some ne tie just obedi bank the Galamsey video na a circulate around a revolve around him no obedi bank ye na ne di bank ni mu no nka Ghana for hwe say sika na amafo bobodin say papa ejiji free Galamsey for rent omo kwai emum to Galamsey no eye no kre anase enya no kre ba oba ye no krator ba bonten ten ya kenke mu no there wasn't any paragraph or chirem say the money is not coming from Galamsey activity but no chirem dwumadi edi sika ne edie esan sika na bi ana yede oba ye na office no e wo say renovation bi ana cars bi na ebi asese e wo say say o chire dwumadi sika ne di but Ghana for be say confirm say according to omo ya Galamsey no omo site na eye adwuma omo chire say omo tua sika ma e tra ka Ghana for twen say ka oba ye no make say enya no kre Galamsey for me nyi obi asika na ka yente ase but oba ye no wa forgo question na Ghana for busa no any answer e demand ana o chire ni nsiemu o chire die sika ne yede ye wa fail na Mahama so because e wo kromu ha ana say stress e ka chire Ghana for say na point is bi obechi ne say when involving Galamsey na obeti ne mene in fact obetwa ne ti na say DC Obeko make such documentary video against him. Na ebesine krata bia free presidency MI. Na akwese am for kire say as a presidency why so silent when it comes to the issue of Galamsey. No another comedian so omo abacklash with him na we ni nsem a omo ka kire Mahama.
Kind of from my and the same. Now bet you be so say na ahemfo. Or you need to be better no. Or you need to be better no. MC no kuta police for, ebikuta soldier for to bring discipline on our land. Your job was in change. Nya chumunti. Worker party ni be fool and this ni be fool because we are by officer can buy. What new man who the party di ya bo and kwani ade a watch you. Wonya man papa. President prove us wrong with this MC. And yes, maybe it feed into what's one now can say. Or money nya be free Galamsey so there. Then we can not allow it to go scot free. That will be maybe obia afa ho did ho. So called the receipt at home. Ko babun ko tadi achiro. Ye say ya. So this is how NDC no more can say mba fight Galamsey ana. Na NDC ni Galamsey ebo and 2024 election no say na am so mba fighting ana. Some of the mayor receipt say for Mayor Galamsey no. Is that how you are going to fight Galamsey? President Mahama? Yes. Mr. President, is that how Allah want to fight Galamsey? Galamsey question. Is that the solution now? Can want someone now? So you give people license to mine illegally. Give them receipt to show us what cheer to mine illegally. Omana urawo. Omana emobo. Omana ni kama for. And some politicians are taking advantage of Ghana for. Because the only option always says all 4 years. As soon as I got 12 batches, and 1,000 face. But I always say a time will come. A time will come. You can't continue to fool the average Ghanaian. They will rise to defend this nation. Ghana will rise one day to defend this nation from selfish politicians. If this is how His Excellency John Dramani Mahama government promised to fight Galamsey, it is president count me be out. If this is how, yeah, what by share say or by fighting Galamsey, a county in a vote me be out. Prove Ghanaians wrong with this one. Prove us wrong. And now look at Sakeke. Prove us wrong. MDC said, "Trust a man now must to can free crime. Everything Galamsey for MC need to what you day. MC to say you took a free crime. Kumasi, you have a Galamsey for what district? What war you day? Also, if I saw a man about a car, but baby, I can say because you're a party boy or your party favorite. Party favorite. It's so sad. Mami MC the picture no, Amase Central MC no. Ebi awa wonim no. Let us know ahwe no. Eja ona ebu Ghana aban to raise aban sika. Opening. Iman oben ajiman. Why are they nyame nhira o. Oman sika sem wo fom. Onam Galamsey so e Penyah Ghana kasem. Nyame nyo kese. Why? Innovating. Innovation pa bi magana da. And this man will 2024 will tell you say Galamsey under the previous administration was bad. The best way he can fight it and he say obe chase kamano normal receipt no akwa Galamsey. That's the best way he can fight Galamsey. Nyame nhira onyo kese. Onnomo. Now since na manyo for mo yese koya say mo tutu mo for one day. E peti Ghana for this so.
Why? We're not in this country. When Joy reported, then John Mahama won in 2015. You remember the Chia DC? Just going to a function and saying Chia, he was sacked. Chia. Immediately saying Chia. Today, somebody is alleged to have receipts, granting receipts to excavators. And if you listen to one of the commentaries given, the interview they conducted, he said, look, the only say over to 70,000, 700 million. And your excavator can go and work, whether it's illegal or legal. That is where we have gotten to. People who came to lie to us that they have even stopped importation of what? Excavators. And that they are making sure the excavators are arrested. They are the same people now granting licenses to people to go into the bush and then cause problems environmentally to us. Cocoa farms are being destroyed. Okay? Our water bodies are being destroyed at the expense of the people of Ghana.
All right, let me get...
And then leaders who are supposed to rise up to the task are telling us that we should resort to natural justice. So when you ask me, my position is that, and our position is that anyone who is involved, if you say yesterday was not good, today equally will not be good. Sack that person immediately and let's see that you are indeed committed to the fight against Galamsey.
Why are we doing this to ourselves? This Galamsey problem, it is not a political problem. It is a leader. I've told President Mahama, and I'm saying it again. President Mahama, if you know you cannot fight Galamsey, you can't. I've seen that you can't because you are part.
Okay.
Why don't you give me, Janet, the opportunity to take care of the Galamsey situation? I would have shown you that we have men and we have women. And when a woman is powerful...
what exactly would you do?
Men, when you are... Look, it is simple. The Galamsey this thing. If President Mahama gives me opportunity, first of all, I will put a state of this
emergency.
Okay. So no one go to the Galamsey side. I will send military officers to the Galamsey side, and then I will give them opportunity to shoot and kill anyone that they find in that is because those people are terrorists. Anyone who wants to destroy water bodies, want to destroy our land that we used to grow food to eat, and then poison the food to kill so many people, it's a terrorist. It's a war. And any president who tells you that, oh, how can you be waging war? That person is a wicked and evil person. Because just imagine protecting one Galamseya against the number of
individuals that are
distraction he's doing. Look at a central region. Majority of them can get water to drink. And the president can tell you that if you pass state of emergency, you infringe on other... Infringe on who? No, you are asking yourself. So the truth is that President Mahama cannot fight Galamsey. He can't fight because it is his people that are doing the Galamsey. And it's not like he's not aware of it. He's aware of it. He's not against it. And for that matter, the time has come for President Mahama to hand over the Galamsey fight to me and then allow me to do my work.
Okay.
The president is not ready to fight anything. He has failed woefully when it comes to the fights against Galamsey.
Okay.
They used Galamsey to campaign 2022 for Ghanaians to vote them to power. They they signed a 120 days contract with Ghanaians to stop Galamsey.
Hey,
No.
Papa. No, you need to put it right on that because the 120 day contract.
No,
Galamsey was
Why do you always say that?
Grace, bring the evidence. Bring the evidence.
Please Google the 120 days contract of the
Don't be lying like your flag bearer. Stop it.
Don't be lying like your flag bearer. Stop it. Don't be a liar like your president.
Stop it.
Don't say that.
When I get a liar, don't be a liar like Bauma. I don't want to reset my tangent with you.
Okay.
No.
So let me read some messages.
Madam, do your research and
Let me, Grace, Gifty, please, I need to read some messages. So,
why do you like communicating for your party?
Please.
my person.
And then you'll be lying. No, don't do that.
Please.
I am not for it. Is you who is
Ladies, can we please?
A beautiful lady,
Grace.
also a beautiful lady. You are
Grace.
defending nonsense by your government.
I'm defending stupidity, not nonsense. Stop it.
Can we?
You know what I'm saying? And amen. Yet you didn't go here. Amansia Central District. Information be about to just say Galamsey a echo so Amansia a binding intimate tunguina DCE a honum. DCE no as share a maybe at Toma Galamsey phoning in answer. So so to Galano honoma. Your tax sing, am I yang? Na so your tax na. Yama police for me how, Yama soldiers for me how, in this mobile move, as a ebia, more side, more chrome, no maybe say a cost was, oh, Davy, or may some corner on my bribe police for them. This has been going on. Be any time chrome, which I said yet. By any information about better about thing, I buy sorry. She's that's DC no cheap penfrina, Chubia. Now we are Galana cost for so my follow the procedure by their mom, I buy Gunina, walai.
No. Let me defend you.
Oh, defend who?
You finish.
Hold on. What he's telling me is that what they are doing is not new.
Yes.
I am basing my submission on what I saw.
Yeah, the documentary. That's what I'm saying. Based on the inference, you are right. So that's the point I'm making.
So let me build my point.
Yeah.
If you are telling me that this predates 2024,
yeah,
and is that it's been there since
2008,
is he telling me that the since that he's talking about the 2008 coming down, these machines were being used for illegal mining at Amasia Central?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That so
did he really think deep before he wrote this letter?
Before paragraph 3. Now what he's doing is that he's basically saying that I'm a thief, but the one I inherited was a thief, so I'm also stealing. So that's what I'm saying, that the second paragraph is very pregnant. You say that you take, in fact, there's an admission. Listen, to begin with, the collection of revenue from operators who use earth-moving equipment within the district did not originate under the current administration.
Which means this wrong has been going on for a long time.
No, it's not a wrong. You are assuming it's a wrong. I'm not saying it's a wrong. I'm saying that based on the statement,
I get it.
He's saying that the revenue taken from those who operate the machines is not new under them. It's always been happening. So David, I'm coming. That's a tacit admission of they collecting a certain revenue. Now it goes further to say that the same paragraph 2. The revenue arrangement has existed for many years and spans several political administrations. Other people have collected the revenue. We are also collecting the revenue. Records available at the assembly includes receipts dating back to 2008. So, what activity are those earth-moving equipment doing?
Exactly. For me, you should have told me in this statement or this letter that what this young man captured in that documentary is false.
It's false. Yeah.
Tell me that it is false, and that you're not using it to do galamsey or illegal mining. Then you have made sense. Exactly. In your letter.
It's all a tougher. All they are saying is
you have not denied the usage.
We know people are doing illegal mining, but we need money to fix our cars.
You
are listening. I know I'm saying. Let me tell you something. Sometimes when you're a public officer and you are reacting to some of these things, you need calm head. You need to maybe speak to a legal counsel and everything. David, casually, this statement by the assembly further implicates the assembly. You know why? David, listen to something he said here. Suggestions, the paragraph 5. Suggestions that these funds were privately kept or diverted are false and misleading. All monies collected are paid directly into the assembly's official account of the Tobri Rural Bank. These payments are supported by verifiable deposit receipt and official receipt, all of which are available for verification at the assembly. Whilst footage was taken of revenue collection, the portions showing the actual banking of the funds were not shown. David, listen carefully. I have paid money. As to whether you remit the money to your bank through the air, through flight, through bullion van, I don't care. All I care about that, there's a footage of you collecting money because I want to register an earth-moving equipment in your district. Now, what is key comes back to the paragraph 2. What am I using the earth-moving equipment to
Gentlemen, hold up. Go to the second page, the second sheet.
Yes.
The second sheet.
Yes.
Read for me the first paragraph on the second sheet.
The assembly remains firmly opposed to illegal mining. The fight against illegal mining against Galamsey remains unchanged and uncompromising. It is therefore misleading to suggest that any official of the assembly created or operates a system to benefit from illegal mining, especially when the arrangement in question predate the current administration has been administered. So read
the second line.
The second line contradicts the first line.
What's the mechanism?
No, let me read it again because I was starting. It says that the assembly remains firmly opposed to illegal mining. The fight against Galamsey remains unchanged and uncompromising. It is therefore misleading to suggest, he didn't say untrue, misleading to suggest that any official of the assembly created or operates a system to benefit from illegal mining, especially when the arrangement in question predates the current administration and has been administered transparently over the years. Now, David, pause. That's where Dr. Jones' education of me comes in here. He says that it is misleading to suggest that the assembly currently created or operates the system to benefit from illegal mining because that system has been there for years.
Yes.
Meanwhile, the first 2 lines of your statement says that the assembly is against illegal mining. Tell this PRO, whoever educated this PRO he must go back to wherever school he did this PRO job and take his money.
For us who did the job.
You see, Clinton, before you come, you see, David, it is further it is further insulting, and very troubling that when public officials, their ills come forward, David, they bring this statement and even tells you how they operate the district. Because David, if a DCE can okay for such a statement to be released publicly, it speaks to you about the competences of the DCE. Because I don't think the PRO will write such a statement and even issue it without cognizance or correspondence with the DCE for the area.
Read the third paragraph of the second sheet for me.
It says that, additionally, where claims are made about the illegality of certain sites, the public deserves to know the legal and regulatory basis for such claims. Issues of legality are determined by appropriate regulatory institutions, not by assumptions or selective recordings. Responsible journalism requires thorough investigations, balance, and fairness.
So, regulatory bodies bay and for their more so. The appropriate authorities not can ask them. Where?
No, you see, my understanding of this is that he's trying to say that where claims are made about the legality of certain sites. So I think he's trying to say that those sites you captured are sites that are legally mandated by law to allow mining. But the question in here is that where is the documented evidence?
No. Even aside from that, what are we talking about? Are we talking about small scale mining? Are we talking about big mining? Or are we talking about illegal mining?
Or cooperative mining?
Exactly. So this statement itself, what our cameras captured is illegal mining. Yeah. Something that the laws of this country frowns upon. It's a prohibited church or home.
Chira wa adwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.